This is what our stand looks like. I have opened the lid of the case to show it from the inside. Here we have an oil station with an electric motor that pressurizes the oil pump and a pneumatic unit to pumping oil in or out of the cam box itself. This is how this pneumatic unit looks like. Here we have the inverter, on the left is the electronics. And this is the cam box itself. Here you can see the speed sensor. It is needed so that when changing the cam, it is possible to set the 0 point for each of the check systems. For example, if we change the cam to 18 mm, we only need to change the set point and the limp does not need to be adjusted every time. Here we have an electric motor connected to the cam box by a direct coupling. There is an angle encoder behind the motor. Here we have the throttle valve. This is a pressure sensor that measures the supply pressure to the injector itself. And finally we got to the heart of this test bench. This is an electronic measuring system under the name UIS-FM from company Opensystem. In this system there is a tacho counter and the injection quantity measurement system itself. We will now demonstrate to you the operation of the test bench. The stand sets the rotational speed automatically by means of a tacho counter and a frequency converter. Before starting the test, the measuring system must be vented. The monitor displays rotation speed, RPM, bip signal, control pulse parameters, temperature of the test fluid in the injector and in the tank. There are test plans in the program, but they must necessarily be targeted, because when installing our measuring device on a different test bench and with a different cam box, the factory test plans cannot be used. But this is not a big problem, because by writing a custom test plan once and targeting it, this test plan can be used for subsequent tests of similar injectors.